Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share about the highly anticipated OnePlus 12 smartphone. Let's dive right in. According to a popular tipster on Twitter, the OnePlus 12 is shaping up to be a powerhouse. It will feature a large 6.7-inch OLED display with a stunning QHD Plus resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The real game-changer is the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, expected to be unveiled by the end of the year. With a 35% improvement in energy efficiency, this beast of a chip will elevate your smartphone experience. Additionally, the OnePlus 12 will sport a triple camera setup with a primary 50MP sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a periscope 64MP sensor. To keep up with your daily demands, OnePlus is packing a massive 5000 mAh battery inside the OnePlus 12. And get this, it supports mind-blowing 100-watt fast charging. Say goodbye to those battery anxiety moments. As for the launch, OnePlus is rumored to release the OnePlus 12 in December, initially in China. If the rumors hold true, it could be the first device to feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming OnePlus 12 5G smartphone? Are you excited about the impressive specifications and the promise of lightning-fast charging? Let us know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.